Alright guys, how's it going? Just doing a quick little test here of Savitar from The Flash Season 3. Hope you guys enjoyed this little clip. Poor Wallace. Can't even open a portal. You can't get rid of that stone, Wallace. Like you can't get rid of me.
Poor Wallace. Can't even open a portal. You can't get rid of that stone, Wallace. Like you can't get rid of me.
Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So if you notice the camera quality being a little different, it's because I'm using my laptop, and the audio for my voice, I believe it's also using the laptop automatically. I'm not sure if it's connected to this microphone. But other than that, of course, it's not going to sound exactly like Savitar from The Flash show. Mostly because, we all have our different vocal ranges and all that. But if you guys want to learn how to do that effect, go ahead and leave a comment, leave a like, share this video. It really helps me out, and it really motivates me to keep on throwing out videos like this for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day, and peace out.